A'udhu Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 11th, subject Environment Science, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start our new unit, that is Earth's Environment and Natural Disasters. इसमें जो हमारा टॉपिक है that is Atmosphere, Structure and Composition of Atmosphere. तो टॉपिक पे जाने से पहले we will discuss what is environment and natural disaster. Environment, ये हमने लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस किया है, the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates. It can be having living, biotic and non-living abiotic things. It includes physical, chemical and other natural forces. They constantly interact with it and adapt themselves to condition in their environment. And natural disaster, a natural event such as floods, earthquake, tsunami, etc., that cause a great damage or loss of life. A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है that is atmosphere, structure and composition. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a gaseous layer surrounding the earth. It is thin when compared to the size of the earth. The atmosphere is special because it contains life-sustaining oxygen in large quantities, about 21% by volume. Atmosphere constantly exchange energy and matter with other components of Earth. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. What is lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere? यह हमने डिस्कस किए हैं. Atmosphere extends from a few meters below the Earth's surface or water surface to a height of about 60,000 kilometers. However, about 90% of the atmosphere is within few kilometers from the ground. Structure of the atmosphere. Atmosphere can be divided into 4 distinct layers according to their temperature and characteristics. Number first, अगर हम atmosphere की बात करेंगे, layers of atmosphere, there are 4 layers of atmosphere. Number first, that is troposphere. Number second, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Layers of atmosphere की बात करेंगे. Number first, that is troposphere. It is the bottom layer of the atmosphere. It contains 70% mass of the atmosphere. It extends to an average height of 12 kilometers. However, its thickness varies with latitude. Over the poles, only about 8 km above the equator. It is about 16 kilometers. A very important feature of this layer is that temperature decreases with height in this layer. The rate of decrease of temperature with altitude is called lapse rate. Number second, that is stratosphere. Layer of atmosphere, that is stratosphere. It lies just above the troposphere. It extends to a height of 50 kilometers from Earth's surface. Ozone sphere, a very important layer, is found within this stratosphere. यानी कि जो ओजोन स्फीयर है, a very important layer is found within this stratosphere. Ozone presence in the ozone sphere prevents the harmful ultraviolet rays from reaching the earth, thereby protecting the life. Water vapor in this layer is almost absent, and hence clouds will not form in this layer. In this layer, temperature increases with height, just opposite to the troposphere. Now, number third layer of the atmosphere, that is mesosphere. It starts from the edge of stratosphere just at an approximate height of 52 kilometers from Earth's surface. It extends to height of 80 kilometers from the ground. In this layer, temperature decreases with height as in troposphere. This layer as such does not have any impact of life, but it gains importance as it plays crucial role in radio communication. Just above the mesosphere lies mesopause, in which temperature neither decreases nor increases. Number four, that is thermosphere, layer of atmosphere. Thermosphere is a layer of atmosphere. It is found approximately above 80 kilometers from Earth's surface. It extends to the edge of space at about 60,000 kilometers from Earth's surface. Temperature keeps rising with altitude in this layer. It is likely to reach 900 degrees centigrade at an altitude of 350 kilometers. Thermosphere as such has no definable upper boundary and gradually blends with space. हम इस टाइम एटमॉस्फेयर की बात कर रहे हैं. What's atmosphere and layers of atmosphere? Atmosphere is gaseous layer surrounding the earth. It is thin when compared to the size of the earth. The atmosphere is special because it contains life-sustaining oxygen in large quantities, about 21% by volume. तो layers of atmosphere या structure of atmosphere की बात करेंगे. Atmosphere can be divided into 4 layers according to their temperature characteristics. Number first, that is troposphere. It is the bottom layer of the atmosphere. It contains 70% mass of the atmosphere. Number second, that is stratosphere. It lies just above the troposphere. It extends to a height of 50 kilometers from Earth's surface. Number third, that is mesosphere. It starts from the edge of the stratosphere, just at an approximate height of 52 kilometers from Earth's surface. Last one, that is thermosphere. It is found approximately above 80 kilometers from Earth's surface. It extends to the edge of space at about 60,000 kilometers from Earth's surface. Now there is composition of atmosphere. वो इंशाल्लाह रहमान हम आइंदा लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.